Hello kids! Welcome to our YouTube channel. Come on kids, let's learn. Today, we are going to learn sight words. Today, we are going to learn 5 sight words. First, let's meet our friend. I
am the sight word I. Nice to meet you. Remember, I is for me.
Now, let's meet our friend.
Hi there. I am the sight word. Ah.
Let's meet our friend. And.
Hello, I am the sight word, and I love bringing words together.
Let's meet our friend. The.
Hey, I am the sight word, the.
Now, let's meet our friend. 2.
I'm the sight word too. I'm always here to help you go places with words.
Now that we've met our sight word friends, let's go on an adventure with a story using all 5 words.
I go to the park. I see a dog and a cat. The dog is big, and the cat is small. I play and have fun. I go to the zoo. I see a lion and a tiger. I and the animals play. The lion roars. I go home.
Let's find out all the I words in this paragraph. Let's start from the beginning. I. Good job. We can now point out the word I when we see it. Let's find out all the words in this paragraph. Let's start from the beginning. Good job. We can now point out the word when we see it. Let's find out all the and words in this paragraph. Let's start from the beginning. And. Good job. We can now point out the word and when we see it. Let's find out all the words in this paragraph. Let's start from the beginning. The. Good job. We can now point out the word the when we see it. Let's find out all the 2 words in this paragraph. Let's start from the beginning. 2. Good job. We can now point out the word to when we see it. Well done, kids. You've learned another set of sight words today. Let's meet in another learning adventure.